Is your screen going black during WhatsApp calls on your iPhone? This can happen due to settings, sensor issues, or software glitches. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the black screen issue during WhatsApp calls on your iPhone. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Disable Reduce Motion. Go to Settings app. Now tap on Accessibility. Then tap Motion. Now make sure to turn off the Reduce Motion option. Solution 2. Offload WhatsApp app. Go to the Settings again. Then tap on General. Next tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Next tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload. And again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Solution 3. Check your software update. Open Settings. Tap General. Then tap Software Update. If you see Software Update is available, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset all settings. Don't worry, this will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset all settings again. Make sure that Reset all over settings and all back to the default settings. After resetting all settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope it helps. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.